Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study with Snehasis. Today I will be discussing about gene mapping problems. So before understanding gene mapping problems, let's first understand some basic definitions. First is the linkage. What is linkage? Okay, when two or more genes are located on the same chromosome, then these genes are said to be linked and the pattern is called linkage. Okay, so when two or more genes located on the same chromosome, they tend to transmit together or as a group into a gamete. As they transmit together or in a group to a gamete, the genes are said to be linked. Okay, this is opposite, or this opposes the Mendel's law, that is law of independent assortment. Why? Because this law of Mendel says that genes that are located on different non-homologous chromosomes, when they are distributed into the gametes, they distributed independent of one another, so they do not go as a group. Okay, the genes tend to distribute into gametes as independent of one another. But in case of linkage, we see that two or more genes, when they distribute into gametes, they go as groups, not independent of one another. So when one gene goes, the other gene also goes. If two or more genes always go as a group to a gamete, then the genes are said to be completely linked. Okay, so and it is important that in case of linkage, the genes are located on the same chromosome. Now from this comes a term called linkage group. Okay, what is linkage group? Linkage group is that all the genes located in a chromosome is said to be a linkage group. So in case of humans, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, thus there are 23 pairs of linkage groups. Okay, actually in case of female, that is there are 23 pairs of linkage groups, but in case of males there are 22 pairs of autosomes and one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, thus 24 types of linkage group in case of male. Okay, so in case of male, that is 24 types of linkage groups. So what have we understand? That the linkage is genes, two or more genes that are grouped together when they go from gamete to gamete. Okay, now this opposes the law of independent assortment. Okay, in case of linkage group, all the genes that are located in a chromosome is said to be a linkage group. Okay, so this suggests that all the genes in a chromosome always go to a specific gamete, that is X as a linkage group, then there shouldn't be any kind of variation. Now this variation is caused by the crossing over. Okay, so what is crossing over? Crossing over is opposite of linkage, that is crossing over. Crossing over is also known as recombination. Okay, this crossing over or recombination is opposite of linkage. Okay, that means the two genes, when they are completely linked, there will be no crossing over, and when the crossing over between two specific genes is maximum, then there will be no linkage. Okay, what happens is that, suppose this is a chromosome. In this chromosome, suppose there are two genes A and B. Okay, now this A and B gene is separated by many base pairs of DNA. Okay, now if the two genes A and B are linked genes, that is they tend to go as a group, then there will be no crossing over between these two genes. Okay, and if the two genes A and B separated by a length of DNA crossing over occurs, then there will be no linkage. Okay, now the crossing over of recombination is denoted in percentage. Okay, what is that? Suppose that the two genes are separated in a way that there is no linkage, then the crossing over will be maximum. The crossing over, chances of crossing over between the two genes A and B will be maximum. Now this chances of crossing over between two genes is denoted in percentage, and this ranges from 0% to 50%. See here that maximum crossing over or recombination means 50%, not 100%. Okay, so 50%, 0% recombination means that there is no crossing over. 0% means no crossing over. If there is no crossing over between two genes, then the two genes are completely linked. This can happen if A and B are side by side. Okay, if two genes A and B are very closely placed, then the chances of crossing over between these two genes is negligible. If the chances is 0, then the two genes are completely linked. On the other hand, if the two genes A and B are located far from each other in a way that there is maximum chance of recombination, that is 50% recombination, then we can say that the two genes A and B, if there is 50% recombination, then the two genes A and B are non-linked, so there is no linkage. If the two genes A and B is not linked, then the two genes show law of independent assortment. Okay, so independent assortment occurs when the recombination is maximum. Okay, now this recombination and crossing over leads to the next theory, that is genetic mapping.